recall, now there's nothing to do. Cause I'm sorry to say we have seen better days, and the earth has been put on indefinite hold. I gotta get out for a moment. Let's pretend that nothing can possibly happen to me. Here I go, I'm invincible. Throw out my principles just for a while. This isn't how I remembered it. Normally floating on by in a post-apocalyptic April. I better crawl under my covers and wait for this monster to go back to hell. Together, you better believe we'll be toasting a whiskey and singing a song in the same little bar. Some way or another, we're gonna see a new tomorrow. The groundhog is gonna be hunted and buried, but it better hurry, cause I wanna see all my love